Most people are stuck chasing the same business ideas, cafés, clothing brands, or reselling. But what if your real breakthrough came from something unexpected, like dry ice, eco bags, or even custom rugs? In this video, we're revealing 10 unusual but powerful machines that real people are using to build profitable businesses in 2026, often with zero staff and minimal overhead. These aren't factory-scale giants. They're compact, efficient, and designed for anyone who wants to start from home. So, if you're tired of the copy-paste approach and looking for something practical, creative, and scalable, you're in the right place. Let's explore the machines that are transforming how smart entrepreneurs generate income this year. Dry Ice Pelletizer Machine. Imagine a business where your product disappears and your customers keep coming back for more. That's exactly how the dry ice industry works. With a dry ice pelletizer machine, you can create one of the most in-demand cooling materials in the world, used in shipping, events, medicine, and even cleaning. Here's how it works. Liquid CO2 is stored in a pressurized tank. When it's released into the pelletizer, it rapidly expands and cools into CO2 snow. That snow is then compressed into dense, uniform pellets, usually between 3 and 16 millimeters, which are collected and packed into insulated boxes for delivery. It's a clean, automatic process that runs with minimal labor. The machine itself costs between $5,000 and $12,000, depending on output capacity, from 50 kilograms an hour for small setups to 150 plus kilograms an hour for larger ones. Dry ice can be produced for about 30 cents per pound and sold for $1 to $1.50 per pound. That's more than triple the profit, especially in areas where dry ice isn't easily available. Who needs it? Grocery delivery services, seafood sellers, hospitals, vaccine transporters, concert organizers, and even industrial cleaners. And since dry ice sublimates, meaning it turns into gas over time, customers need regular refills. That makes it a recurring income business with built-in repeat demand. Many entrepreneurs use a small delivery van and create routes to supply local vendors on schedule. You can also offer urgent supply services during heat waves, power outages, or medical emergencies, charging premium prices when needed. Best of all, the competition is low in many cities. This machine is perfect if you want to dominate a niche, build loyal customers, and operate in a space few others are thinking about. This isn't just a cooling product, it's a business that stays hot by staying cold. Paper cup making machine. While most people focus on plastic bands, a silent opportunity is rising in the background. Paper cups. From tea stalls to corporate offices, events to cafes, paper cups are everywhere. And with a paper cup making machine, you can tap into this booming demand using just one compact setup from your garage or workshop. Here's how it works. You load printed or plain paper rolls into the machine. The unit shapes them into cup walls, attaches the base, heats the edges to seal everything tightly, and ejects the finished product. Some models also stack and count cups automatically for easier packaging. Sizes are adjustable from small teacups to large cold drink containers. A good quality semi-automatic paper cup machine costs around $3,000 to $6,000. Fully automatic models range up to $10,000, but offer higher speed and zero manual work. Material cost per cup is around 2 to 3 cents, and these same cups can be sold wholesale for 6 to 9 cents. A solid markup, especially when sold in bulk. Demand is consistent and diverse. Hotels, dabas, juice centers, schools, offices, and event planners all need cups daily. Many areas also lack fast and reliable suppliers, making this an ideal local business with repeat clients. Want to stand out? Offer custom printed branding or biodegradable material options. You can even bundle cup supplies with other disposable items and increase client retention. The real beauty? This business runs even when you sleep. With automated models, one person can produce thousands of cups daily without supervision. It's low risk, high volume, and future-proof thanks to the shift away from plastic. This machine doesn't just make paper cups, it makes a business that stacks up one cup at a time. Cheap wool washing machine. Wool is one of the most valuable natural fibers. Warm, lightweight, breathable, and used in everything from sweaters to insulation. But raw wool, straight from the sheep, is messy, greasy, and full of dirt. That's where the sheep wool washing machine comes in, transforming raw fleece into clean, fluffy, high-value material that's ready for the next stage. Here's how it works. Raw wool is loaded into a rotating drum or conveyor-style basket. The machine gently cycles it through multiple rounds of warm water and mild detergent. Built-in filters remove debris, lanolin grease, and plant matter. After that, rollers or spinners extract moisture, and some models even include built-in drying systems. The result? Clean, soft wool ready for carding, dyeing, or spinning. Machine prices range from $4,000 to $12,000 depending on size and features. You can process anywhere from 20 to 2,000 pounds of wool per batch. Cleaning costs average $1.50 to $2 per pound, and clean wool can sell for $6 to $15 per pound, depending on fiber quality and end use. Your customers, small-scale sheep farmers, crafters, hand spinners, felting artists, and even small textile mills. Manual wool cleaning is slow and inconsistent, and most farms don't have the time or tools to do it. That's why many are happy to pay for fast, reliable wool cleaning services. You can also package and sell your pre-cleaned wool directly to Etsy sellers, craft stores, or yarn producers. Add eco-friendly packaging or natural dye options to increase your value proposition. And here's the bonus. In regions with sheep farming, this can be a seasonal but highly profitable service, especially when bundled with other textile tools or fiber arts products. If you're into natural materials, hands-on work, and a niche market with low competition, this machine turns raw fluff into real profit. Bath towel weaving machine. What if you could turn soft yarn into a daily use product that's in every home, hotel, and gym and sell it with your brand? That's the power of the bath towel weaving machine. This industrial loom transforms basic cotton thread into premium quality towels that people use, gift, and buy in bulk year-round. Here's how it works. Cotton or blended yarn is loaded into the machine's feeder. Using Terry loop weaving technology, the machine interlocks threads to produce ultra-absorbent towel fabric. Some models offer jacquard weaving, allowing you to embed patterns, logos, or monograms directly into the towel. Optional attachments dry, cut, and finish the fabric on the spot, saving time and labor. Entry-level machines start around $10,000, while fully automated setups may cost $20,000 or more, but they can produce hundreds of towels per day. Your cost per towel, including yarn, energy, and packaging, can be as low as $1.20, and the retail price, anywhere from $4 to $15 per towel, depending on size, softness, and branding. Where's the demand? Everywhere. Hotels and spas need bulk towels constantly. Home decor stores sell premium sets. Fitness centers and salons need regular restocks. You can also sell online under your label or wholesale through platforms like Faire, Alibaba, or Etsy. Want to go premium? Offer embroidered names, eco-friendly tags, or luxury wrapping. These simple add-ons raise perceived value and profit margins. This machine isn't just about fabric. It's about comfort, hygiene, and daily use. It's a product that wears out over time, meaning customers come back again and again. And it's light, foldable, and easy to ship. Ideal for online orders and export. With the right setup, you're not just weaving towels, you're weaving a steady, scalable income stream. Steel punching and shearing machines. Some machines don't just shape metal, they shape profits. The steel punching and shearing machine is a powerful industrial tool that lets you cut, notch, and punch holes in steel bars, angles, or plates with speed, accuracy, and zero waste. It's ideal for contractors, fabricators, metal artists, and manufacturers who demand precision. Here's how it works. You load the steel material, whether it's a flat plate, angle bar, or rebar, into the hydraulic machine. By adjusting the die head, you can switch between punching holes, shearing straight lines, or cutting precise angles. The process takes seconds, requires no torch or grinding, and leaves a clean finish with no burrs. Machines range from $6,000 for small shop use models to $15,000 for high-force, semi-automatic units. Depending on the project, a single machine can process $200 to $500 pieces per shift. This means you can fulfill custom jobs for builders, welders, signage makers, or even launch your own steel product line. Let's talk margins. Pre-cut steel parts often sell for 2 to 4 times the cost of raw material, especially if you offer specific shapes, hole patterns, or custom brackets. Many contractors prefer local suppliers who can deliver on time and skip the hassle of doing it manually. You can offer per-piece punching services, batch orders, or full kits for fencing, doors, industrial frames, or hardware. And with minimal wear on tooling, the maintenance cost is low compared to the value you're producing. If you're already in construction or metalwork, this machine is a powerful upgrade. If you're starting fresh, it's a fast way into a B2B market where precision means payment. This machine turns raw steel into repeat business, one clean cut at a time. Tote bag printing machine. In a world turning away from plastic, reusable tote bags aren't just trendy, they're essential. And with a tote bag printing machine, you can turn plain fabric into bold, branded, sellable statements. Whether for eco-conscious shoppers, events, or businesses, custom tote bags are a hot product. And this machine helps you print profits one bag at a time. Here's how it works. The tote bag is placed flat on the machine's platen. Depending on the model, ink is applied using screen printing, heat transfer, or direct-to-garment printing. Designs are digitally controlled, ensuring perfect placement and vibrant colors. Some machines include auto feeders, dryers, and alignment sensors for bulk operations. Entry-level machines start at $1,500, while advanced units with full automation can cost up to $5,000. Cost per printed bag ranges from 60 cents to $1.50, depending on ink and design complexity. Those same bags often retail between $5 and $12, especially if customized for brands, causes, or retail stores. The market is massive. Businesses need bags for branding. Event planners want giveaways. Eco-brands seek stylish, reusable alternatives. And with plastic bans growing worldwide, tote bags are no longer optional. They're everyday essentials. You can sell your own designs, offer printing services to local businesses, or build a niche online store with themed collections from motivational quotes to pet lover designs. Want to go premium? Use organic cotton bags, offer gold foil printing, or bundle bags with matching pouches or stationery. This machine doesn't require a huge space. A small studio or even a home office can house your operation. And because designs can be batch printed or made on demand, there's no need for overstock. If you're looking for a creative, low-waste business with endless variety, the tote bag printing machine puts your ideas directly into customers' hands. Literally. Dough rounding machine. In the food business, consistency is king, and when it comes to baking, shape and size matter more than you think. That's where the dough rounding machine steps in. This compact machine transforms uneven chunks of dough into smooth, uniform balls. Perfect for bread rolls, buns, pizza crusts, dumplings, and more. Here's how it works. You place a raw piece of dough into the top inlet. Inside, a motor-driven drum or track gently spins and rolls the dough in a circular motion. In just seconds, it emerges as a perfectly rounded ball, ready for proofing, baking, or packaging. Some advanced models allow size adjustments or continuous feeding for faster operations. Machines are available from as low as $800 for small bakeries, with commercial-grade units costing up to $3,000. One machine can round 1,000 to 3,000 dough balls per hour, eliminating the need for manual shaping and cutting down prep time dramatically. Let's break down the benefit. Uniformity equals professionalism. Whether you run a bakery, pizzeria, or frozen food brand, consistent size means even cooking, better packaging, and a more polished product, which customers notice. And for large orders, this kind of speed and reliability is a must. You can use it in your own bakery or offer dough prep services to nearby food vendors, catering companies, or event caterers. You can also integrate it into a full mini production line with a dough divider and proofer. With the rising demand for fresh bakery items, fast food buns, and frozen pizza kits, this machine puts you ahead of the curve. Plus, it's easy to operate, clean, and maintain. Even a single person can manage a full workflow. This isn't just for baking lovers. It's for anyone ready to turn flour into a fast-moving, high-demand product. The dough rounding machine shapes more than dough. It shapes business growth. Shoe washing machine. Sneakers have become more than footwear. They're a fashion statement, a collector's item, and in many cases, a serious investment. But what happens when they get dirty? Enter the shoe washing machine, a compact device designed to clean sneakers, casual shoes, and even leather footwear with zero manual scrubbing. If you've ever wanted to start a business around fresh kicks, this machine is your golden ticket. Here's how it works. Shoes are placed inside a rotating drum or ultrasonic chamber. The machine automatically sprays cleaning solution, gently agitates the shoes to loosen dirt, and then rinses and air dries them. The entire process takes around 20 to 30 minutes. No damage, no smell, just restored sneakers ready to shine again. Machines start at $1,500 for basic models and can go up to $4,000 for more advanced systems with drying and deodorizing features. On average, you can clean a pair for $1 in materials and charge $5 to $15 per pair, depending on the shoe type and service level. Your customers, sneakerheads, gym goers, working professionals, laundry shops, malls, and even airports. With shoe prices rising and cleaning costs reasonable, more people are opting to revive their shoes instead of replacing them. You can offer walk-in services, partner with retail stores, or even provide doorstep pickup and delivery in urban areas. Upsell with waterproofing, whitening, or odor-neutralizing treatments for extra income. The best part? You don't need a big space, just a small counter and strong marketing. This service has low overhead and high repeat business, especially from loyal customers who care about their footwear. In a world where appearance matters, this machine helps you keep people's favorite shoes clean, stylish, and ready to wear, and turns dirty soles into clean profit. Mini CNC Wood Router Machine. Woodworking has gone digital, and the Mini CNC Wood Router Machine is leading the charge. This compact, programmable machine can carve intricate patterns, signs, furniture parts, and even 3D designs out of wood, plastic, or soft metals. From home decor to small business signage, it's the perfect tool for turning creativity into high-value custom products. Here's how it works. You upload a design file to the machine software. Whether it's text, a logo, or a full pattern, the router then moves along X, Y, and Z axis to carve the design with precise depth and motion. It can cut, engrave, and even hollow out complex shapes with incredible accuracy. Some models support Wi-Fi or USB uploads for wireless control. Prices range from $1,200 for desktop-size machines to $4,000 for more powerful workshop models. The cost of materials is low. A $10 wood sheet can become a $60 custom sign. Products like name plaques, business logos, engraved gifts, and furniture accents can be made in bulk or as one-off pieces. The market huge. Think Etsy shops, interior decorators, cafés, boutique brands, and DIY home improvement lovers. Personalized signs, engraved cutting boards, wedding gifts, nursery nameplates, all high demand and premium priced items. This machine is also ideal for drop shipping or on-demand production. You don't need inventory. Just offer a product catalog and make each item as orders come in. It's low waste, low risk, and high satisfaction. Even if you're not a designer, many platforms offer ready-to-use SVG files and templates. With minimal training, you can launch your own digital woodworking brand in days. The Mini CNC Wood Router Machine doesn't just cut wood. It carves your space in the creative economy, one design at a time. Carpet Tufting Machine. Rugs do more than cover a floor. They set the mood of a room, reflect personal style, and, in many cases, become functional pieces of art. With a carpet tufting machine, you can turn colorful yarn into custom rugs, wall hangings, and decor that people love to display, buy, and gift. And you don't need a factory to do it, just a creative spark and this machine. Here's how it works. The machine uses a handheld tufting gun or automated frame to punch yarn through a fabric backing. You can create both loop and cut pile designs depending on the setting. After tufting, the rug is trimmed, glued from the back, and optionally finished with a fabric layer for grip and durability. It's easier than traditional weaving and much faster. Prices start around $1,000 for manual tufting kits and go up to $6,000 for programmable machines that allow you to upload digital patterns and automate the process. The cost to make a 2x3-foot custom rug may be $10 to $20, and it can sell for $60 to $200 or more, depending on the design and finish. The creative possibilities are endless. Names, logos, cartoon characters, memes, abstract patterns, or pet portraits. Your market includes home decor lovers, interior designers, Etsy shoppers, custom gift buyers, and boutique retailers. You can also offer personalized rugs for baby rooms, weddings, or brand merchandise, each one unique and made to order. Add premium touches like wool yarn, natural dyes, or eco-backing for higher value. This machine is a favorite for solo creators, art studios, and small online shops. And because rugs are lightweight, you can sell and ship globally. The carpet tufting machine turns threads into texture, creativity into income, and blank space into something personal, one stitch at a time. That's the full list. 10 compact machines, each capable of turning a small corner of your home into a serious income stream. Whether you want to work with food, fabric, metal, or design, the tools are right here, and the demand is already out there. What matters now is what you do next. If you found even one idea that made you think, this could work for me, then don't just scroll on. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more business-focused videos, and comment below which machine you'd start with first. Opportunities don't wait, and neither should you. Start with one idea, take one step, and watch how your whole direction can change one machine at a time.